Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'm here to pick up some medicine and get advice. I've had a cold for a few days now, and I'm not sure what to take.
I see. Sorry to hear that. Let's start with the basics. What symptoms are you experiencing?
Well, I have a sore throat, a blocked nose, and I'm coughing a lot. I also feel a bit tired and weak.
Sounds like a typical cold. Do you have a fever?
I did on the first day, but now I'm just feeling cold and tired. No more fever, though.
That's good to know. It sounds like you're in the later stages of a cold. I can recommend some over-the-counter medicine to help with the symptoms. Are you taking anything right now?
No, nothing yet. I wasn't sure what to get, so I thought I'd ask you first.
Sure, I can help with that. For the sore throat, I'd recommend throat lozenges. They will soothe the irritation and help with the pain. We have a few options, honey-flavoured or menthol. Do you have a preference?
I think I'll go with honey. It sounds gentler.
Good choice, I'll get those for you. Now, for your blocked nose, I'd suggest a nasal spray. It will help clear your sinuses and make it easier to breathe. Would you like a decongestant spray, or would you prefer a saline solution, which is a bit milder?
I've tried nasal sprays before, and they work well for me, so I'll go with the decongestant spray.
Great, I'll grab that for you. And for the coughing, do you feel like you have a dry cough, or is it a wet cough with mucus?
It's mostly a dry cough, but sometimes there's a little mucus.
In that case, I recommend a cough syrup that will suppress the cough and also help thin out the mucus. I have one that's non-drowsy, so you can take it during the day without feeling sleepy. Would that work for you?
Yes, that sounds perfect. I have to work, so I don't want to feel too tired after taking it.
Excellent, I'll get that for you as well. So we've got the throat lozenges, nasal spray and cough syrup. Is there anything else you'd like to ask about?
Actually, yes. I've been taking painkillers for the body aches and headaches. Do you think I should continue, or is there something else I can take?
What kind of painkillers have you been using?
Just regular paracetamol. It seems to help, but I don't know if I should take it for too long.
Paracetamol is fine for treating the pain and aches that come with a cold. You can continue taking it, but make sure not to exceed the recommended dosage. Usually it's safe to take every 4 to 6 hours, but no more than 8 tablets in 24 hours.
Got it. I'll keep an eye on that. Do I need to avoid mixing it with the other medicine you're recommending?
No, you can take paracetamol with the throat lozenges, nasal spray and cough syrup. Just make sure you're not taking any other medicine that contains paracetamol, like some cold and flu remedies. Too much paracetamol can be harmful.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. What about vitamins? Do you think I should take anything extra to help me recover faster?
Taking vitamins, especially vitamin C and zinc, can be helpful for boosting your immune system. We have vitamin C tablets and zinc lozenges if you're interested. They won't cure your cold, but they can support your body while it's fighting off the virus.
I've heard that before. I'll take the vitamin C tablets. I already have zinc lozenges at home.
Perfect. I'll add the vitamin C tablets to your list. Anything else you'd like to ask about?
That should cover it for my cold. But while I'm here, I also need to pick up a prescription.
Of course. Do you have the prescription with you?
Yes, here it is. It's for my blood pressure medication.
Let me take a look. I see. It's for amlodipine. I'll go get that for you. Have you been taking this medication for a while?
Yes, about 6 months now. My doctor said my blood pressure's improving, but I need to keep taking it regularly.
That's good to hear. Amlodipine is very effective for controlling high blood pressure, but consistency is key. Make sure to take it at the same time every day. Do you have any side effects from the medication?
Not really, though sometimes I feel a bit dizzy when I stand up too fast.
That can happen with blood pressure medication. Just be careful when standing up quickly. If the dizziness gets worse or doesn't go away, let your doctor know. But overall, it sounds like the medicine is working well for you.
Yes, I think it is. I'll be sure to talk to my doctor if I notice any other side effects.
That's a good plan. Here's your prescription along with the other items for your cold. Let me total everything up for you.
Thank you. I hope this will help me feel better soon.
I'm sure it will. Just remember to rest, drink plenty of fluids, and take the medication as directed. Let's see, your total comes to $35.50.
Not too bad. I'll pay by card.
All set. Here's your receipt. I hope you feel better soon.
Thanks so much for your help. I'll try to rest and follow your advice.
You're welcome. Take care, and if you have any questions about the medicine or your health, don't hesitate to come back.
I appreciate that. I'll keep it in mind. Have a good day.
You too. Get well soon.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to support the growth of this channel. Good luck, and see you in the next one.